Warning, do not do any of the following scenes filmed in Mexico by professionals.
Yo, what is good, guys? We back with another YouTube video. I haven't uploaded in so long, but we back, but with car content now. So we here in my car. If y'all don't know, I drive this Camaro right here. And in this channel, you're gonna see a lot more of this now. In this video, I'm just gonna like show y'all my car. I haven't really showed off my car like this for a video. It is a 2021 Chevrolet Camaro, but I do have a modded exhaust. This aftermarket wing right here. I do have starlights. I'll show y'all if it's dark. I don't know if it's gonna get dark, but I have like this whole custom carbon fiber interior. But let me get y'all a cold start real quick. Well, actually it's not really a cold start. I did go to college earlier today. There we go. All right, guys, I hope the audio is good, and I hope the camera view is good too. I actually ordered like a actual first person POV camera for y'all for like the upcoming videos. It'll like be like you guys are seeing first person view from my eyes, basically, you know, like it'll be a camera mount for my head. Right now I literally just have the camera mounted onto the sunroof right now, like straight up. I'm gonna drive in manual mode. I'll put the windows all the way down so y'all can, like, you know, hear the car. But I hope the camera doesn't fall because I don't know if I want to trust this mount. But let's see. All right, I'm gonna be using the paddle shifters. I got them in carbon fiber as well. What y'all think? I don't want to go too fast in the residential zones, you know what I mean? A little downshift right there. I got all this in carbon fiber, like a bunch of parts of the steering wheel, this whole screen. I don't know if the camera can see that part, but that's all carbon fiber. This little console part right here. You know what I'm saying? And I really hope the camera doesn't fall for like bumps like that. Looks like it's holding up though, you know? Little downshift. Hella construction going on right here. But yeah, right now, I'm actually just going to the gym right now. I started going to the gym recently. I'm trying to like gain muscle, you know? And then after the gym, I'm probably just gonna go to the grocery store, get some groceries, you know what I'm saying? Downshift under a bridge right here. Oh, I was going too fast. Also, I have no more window tint like on my front windows. I never had window tint on the front windshield, but like these little side mirrors, or not mirrors, but like the side windows, I had 5% tint on that, but I had to remove them because I got a fix-it ticket for those. But I have like my back windows still tinted though. But like if I had these windows up right here, like it would just be clear. It's a fishbowl in the front, so I just keep them down because I might as well, you know? It's not like I have tint. Alright, we're gonna get on the freeway, guys, and then we're gonna like do some pulls for you guys, you know? I usually don't use the paddle shifters on the freeway because this is a 10-speed automatic and that's like a lot of gears to go through on the freeway, you know, especially when you're going fast. So I usually just stay in automatic mode, but I'm gonna do some pulls in automatic for y'all on the freeway, so y'all can like hear the car when it's going fast, you know, because that was just like on a normal street. I don't want to go too fast, you know. I'm a legal driver. I don't be going fast like that. And I do have this radar detector if y'all didn't already notice. Another Camaro right there, yellow one. I don't know if the camera can see that. It's right there, just passed. But we about to get on the freeway, so I might as well close the windows, you know. All right, there we go. Switch the radar detector to highway mode as well, you know. All right, hopefully the camera don't fall on the freeway. Little pull right there for y'all, you know. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I am a legal driver. I do not condone to like driving fast and shit like that, you know. It's kind of packed today. I can't really like, you know, do one straight pull. But it's all good, you know. I don't want to take this exit. Hold up. The hell was that? Oh, I thought I heard like another loud car. I love it when I like hear another loud car. Like we're twins, you know. Low key, bruh. The gym that I'm going to right now is at a location that I usually don't go to. So I need to connect my phone to Apple CarPlay to like actually get there, you know, use the directions. But whenever my phone is connected to the car, like right now it's not connected obviously, but when my phone is connected to the car, like my mic on the phone just stays muted. I don't know why. So that's why I disconnected it. But I know it's this way, like this way down the freeway. But like in a bit, I'm probably just gonna take a random exit just so I could park real quick and see like how that video is, and like, you know what I mean, and then connect my phone to Apple CarPlay. I do have a gap cam, you know guys, those gap cams people put on the back of their cars. I have one of those, but I don't really use it because it's like, I don't know, bro. I just don't like using it. So sorry that the video just randomly cut off. My phone storage actually like ran out of storage, because I like record my videos in 4K and that like takes up a lot of storage, you know. So it just like randomly stopped because it said I don't have enough storage. So I gotta like clear up some storage so I can make like the video clips longer next time. But yeah, this was my little first video for the channel Raj and Drives. Let me know like what videos y'all would want to see on this new like Raj and Drives channel now. Yeah, and let me know what like future mods I should do to my car too. I really like doing mods to my car, so yeah, let me know what mods I should do to my car. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe obviously, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.